Hi, welcome back to my channel Charles Chakra. I hope you and your family is doing great. Today in this video, I will let you know about Saturn ki Mahadasha, how is the effect and what are the things that you need to take care of if you are going through Saturn ki Mahadasha or you're about to enter into Saturn ki Mahadasha. So if you have subscribed my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, then subscribe it so that you are getting the daily notifications from us on the videos that we post. So before we understand what will happen in Saturn ki Mahadasha, you need to understand what exactly Saturn planet is all about. Saturn is all about your karma. Saturn is all about the hard work and the effort you put in anything to get the success. So Saturn is a malefic planet. Saturn is a dry planet. Saturn is a cold planet. Saturn is not at all connected to the emotions. So first thing that you need to take care of if you're going through Saturn ki Mahadasha or you're about to enter into Saturn ki Mahadasha, make sure that with time you need to become very practical because Saturn is not at all an emotional planet. And not only this, Saturn doesn't like emotions because that is a cold planet, that is a dry planet. So a very simple thing you need to check in your birth chart, wherever the Saturn sits, the person crip complain about that place the most. Like if the Saturn sits in the seventh house, then the person crip and complain about the married life, about the relationship interaction, and about the public the most. If the Saturn is sitting in the ninth house, then the person crip and complain about their luck a lot and they feel like they are not lucky enough. So to get the maximum benefits out of Saturn, first you need to work as per the Saturn because you need to understand no other planet sitting in the sky and decided to affect your life. It is only us because of which we suffer in life. So if you started working as Saturn, Saturn will started giving you the positive results. So what happened when we enter into Saturn ki Mahadasha, or if you're about to enter into Saturn ki Mahadasha, then what are things that you need to prepare with? So Saturn ki Mahadasha first want to make you a emotionless person, want to make you a very practical person. Saturn is all about your career. Saturn is all about the money. Saturn is all about the finances and the health too. So when you enter into the Saturn ki Mahadasha, so the two major thing that will be affected in your life during the Saturn ki Mahadasha is your health and the career, money wise and the finances wise, as well as the relationship with others. So Saturn ki Mahadasha will make you isolated. During Saturn ki Mahadasha, you will get to know the real colors of the true colors of the people around you, surrounded by you. It can be your friends. Most of the breakups happen during Saturn ki Mahadasha. And the reason is that why these people go from your life, the reason is because these people are not good for you. And that is the reason Saturn take away these people away from you. So when these people go away from you, you started gripping, you started complaining, you may come in emotional, you may become emotional, you may come into depression, anxiety. But with time, you need to accept whatever the lesson Saturn is giving to you. So during this Saturn ki Mahadasha, people become more isolated. You don't like being socializing, you will not like enjoying your life, or you always feel like depressed or isolated too. So these are the negative effects of Saturn ki Mahadasha. But Saturn ki Mahadasha, who can grow or get success during Saturn ki Mahadasha? Saturn ki Mahadasha can give you huge success career wise, money wise, and the finances wise. So if you are going to focus only on the hard work, if you are going to focus only on the efforts, and if there is a persistency and consistency in your life during, then Saturn ki Mahadasha can give you the huge success. Only you have to focus on your career. You will face struggles, you will face obstacles during Saturn ki Mahadasha. Depending upon the placement of the Saturn in your birth chart, it will decide how it is going to affect you. So majorly Saturn ki Mahadasha affect you on your career. A lot of time it has been noticed, people entering into the Saturn Mahadasha, they struggle a lot money wise and career wise. But it has also been noticed, people who have a good Saturn in both in their D1 chart and the D9 chart, then during Saturn ki Mahadasha, if they have take the learnings from Jupiter ki Mahadasha and they have entered into Saturn ki Mahadasha and they have taken that learning very positively and they have transformed their life in Jupiter ki Mahadasha, then Saturn ki Mahadasha can give them huge career, huge financial success too. So it has been noticed that people entering into Saturn ki Mahadasha and with a positive Saturn in their birth chart and universally in the sky too, then people have got 200% career and promotion too. In business wise, they have seen a tremendous growth too. On the other side, if your Saturn is afflicted or it is debilitated, and you don't put a lot of efforts in life, or you're not so hardworking, in that case Saturn can give you the negative effect, because Saturn want to make you a better version of your own self. Saturn want to give you lot of success in life, but before you get the success, you get the financial struggles, challenges. You have to overcome that struggles and the challenges, and you will be able to overcome that struggles and the challenges only with your own hard work and the efforts. So you should not fear from Saturn, you should not fear from the Saturn Mahadasha, because Saturn Mahadasha is there to give you the results of your past karma, what you have done in the past life and in this life, especially in Jupiter ki Mahadasha. All the learnings that you have taken in Jupiter ki Mahadasha, how was your Jupiter ki Mahadasha? If in during Jupiter ki Mahadasha you are very asattvic, you haven't taken any learnings and you were just enjoying your success, you have done no donation, no religious, no sattvic, in that case Saturn ki Mahadasha can become difficult for you, because whatever good or bad you have done in the Jupiter ki Mahadasha and in your past life will decide about your Saturn ki Mahadasha. So there is nothing to fear from Saturn ki Mahadasha. It is just that you should welcome Saturn ki Mahadasha with a positivity, but you should be ready to put more hard work, ready to put your efforts, and Saturn will started giving you the results on the basis of your karma, what you have done in the past, as well as what you have done in the Jupiter ki Mahadasha. Now let's understand that what all remedies you should do to overcome the ill effect of Saturn, and if you want to make Saturn ki Mahadasha very good, then what all remedies you should do. To enhance your luck and to overcome the ill effect of the Saturn, first you need to understand money wise and the finances wise. As I told you that career wise, money wise, finances wise, Saturn ki Mahadasha affects you a lot. If it is affecting you positively, that's a very good news. You should start wearing ebony wood bracelet. Start wearing the iron ring in the in the middle finger. This will help you out to enhance your luck on the regular basis. You should offer cooked food to the needy and try to feed dogs too. This is going to help you out to enhance your luck. If Saturn ki Mahadasha is becoming very problematic for you, it is creating the problem in your life, health wise, career wise. In that case, continuously you have to do the Chaya Dan. The process of the Chaya Dan has already been shared in the video. The link has already been shared in the description. What is the purpose of you doing the Chaya Dan? If you will do the Chaya Dan, that means that you're asking the forgiveness to forgive you for your doings that you have done in the past, and pray for the blessings. So Chayadan, continuously you have to do Chayadan for every Saturday till you feel like financial wise, career wise, your life is not improving. Till that you have to do Chayadan, and Chayadan remedy works very well. Continuously you have to do till you are facing the financial problem. The day one your financial problem being solved, you have to stop doing the Chayadan, and this is 100% effective remedy. Just you have to do with the trust and faith. To get the maximum benefit of the Saturn ki Mahadasha, make sure if you're a housewife, then also you should focus on your career. Start your career, because Saturn is all about career, finances, money, and karma. So try to take all your focus on your career. If you are not going to take your focus on your career, then you are going to struggle health wise. Health wise also, if Saturn is giving you health related problem, then also continuously you have to do the Chaya Dan, and on the regular basis you should donate urd ki dal to the needy on every Saturday. If Saturn ki Mahadasha is very positive for you and you are getting a lot of huge success career wise, finances wise, and you are growing in your life positively, then also you started paying gratitude towards Saturn, started writing down your gratitude book daily, pay the gratitude towards the universe about all your receivings, what you're receiving in Saturn ki Mahadasha. And if you want the Saturn ki Mahadasha of 19 years to be a great, then make sure at least 10% of your earnings you should donate it to the needy, or you should feed cows and dogs from that earnings. This is going to give you the huge success. Again I'm repeating, there is nothing to fear from Saturn. Just act as per the Saturn, take the positive lessons from the Saturn, and make sure you are not repeating. So don't fear from Saturn. You have to just work as per the Saturn on the regular basis. If you're chanting Om Sham Shanicharaja Nama, this will also help you out to overcome the ill effect of the Saturn. Praying to Lord Hanuman and Lord Shiva also help you a lot. If you're going through Saturn ki Mahadasha, and the best remedy, start praying to Lord Shiva or Lord Hanuman. On the regular basis, you should chant Hanuman Chalisa. If you're praying to Lord Shiva, then Saturn will never give you the negative effect, because the Saturn's guru itself is Lord Shiva. And if you pray to Lord Shiva, as Lord Shiva is a most innocent God, if you pray to Lord Shiva with the whole trust and faith, then you are going to get maximum benefit in this Saturn ki Mahadasha. You are going to get the maximum wealth, maximum career, and the financial success too. So it is recommended during Saturn ki Mahadasha, you should wear the 7 Mukhi Rudraksha and the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha. 7 Mukhi Rudraksha is connected to Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Saturn. 14 Mukhi Rudraksha is a combination of Mangal and Saturn. So if you're wearing the 14 Mukhi Rudraksha and 7 Mukhi Rudraksha during the Saturn ki Mahadasha, then you can get the tremendous benefits. Still, you have any question related to your Saturn ki Mahadasha, you can ask me on the comment. Share this video with your loved one. Thank you. Have a great day.